Hi guys, today in this video, we're going to do a tutorial for NinjaTrader Mobile. To get started with NinjaTrader on mobile, first download the NinjaTrader app from the App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. Once installed, you'll need to log in with your NinjaTrader account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the app's interface, which features a simplified design for easy navigation. You can view live market data, manage your trading account, and place trades directly from your device. Customize your experience. Explore the app settings, where you can adjust chart preferences, alerts, and notifications. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.